Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Holley 4160 kit is probably one of the most sought-after rebuild kits for 4-barrel carburetors among car enthusiasts and mechanics, promising a revitalized engine performance with a smoother, more efficient fuel delivery system. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know about this kit, from its components and quality to the overall rebuilding process, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your carburetor restoration project. Number 5. KIPA Carburetor Rebuild Kit. This kit is perfect for your quick fuel carburetor. It's designed to restore it to peak performance, saving you money and time. It works with various quick fuel models, including the 3 to 24160. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific needs. This rebuild kit supports a wide range of CFM, from 390 to 850. You'll find it's compatible with many different carburetors. It's also ideal for Road Demon Jr., Road Demon, and Speed Demon carburetors. This means you have a versatile solution for your carburetor needs. This kit also works with Berry Grant carburetors and specific part numbers, including 190003, 37 to 119, 37 to 720, 37 to 754, and 371542. It's a comprehensive solution for many carburetor types. With this kit, you can easily restore your carburetor to its original condition. Get back on the road with renewed power and efficiency. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide array of carburetor models. If you need a rebuild kit for various Holley carburetors and are on a budget, this is a great option. This kit is perfect for those who need a versatile and cost-effective solution for their carburetor rebuild needs. What people say. Comes with every small part you could think of. Gaskets fit well. Might need a small tweak on some gaskets. I rebuilt a Holley 4160 with no problems at all. Everything I needed including the secondary vac diaphragm. Very complete kit with lot of extra parts for other types of carburetor. Idle mix seals were O-rings, float brass very soft, paper gaskets, and diaphragm just fit. Number 4. Holley 4160 Carburetor Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a complete carburetor overhaul. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. This kit is identified by part number 159064, ensuring you get the correct components for your repair. It's compatible with a wide range of Holley carburetors. It works with various Holley 4160 series vacuum secondary carbs, including 570, 600, 650, and many more. Check the compatibility list to confirm it fits your model. Beyond the 4160 series, it's also compatible with several other Holley carburetor models, such as 1850, 3310, and more. See the full list for details. It includes all the essential gaskets, a needle and seat, a power valve, an accelerator pump diaphragm, and an assortment of small parts. Everything you need for a successful rebuild is right here. With all the necessary components included, this kit makes the carburetor rebuild process straightforward. Get your engine running smoothly again with ease. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for the Holley 4160 series. It includes non-stick gaskets for easier installation. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with high-quality components for your Holley 4160 carburetor, this is the one for you. What people say. Parts seem to be correct. Number 3. Holley 4160 Carburetor Rebuild Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a complete overhaul. It's designed to restore your carburetor to peak performance. You'll receive high-flow needle and seats, a power valve, accelerator pump components, gaskets, and seals. Everything is here for a smooth rebuild. It features premium materials for durability and reliable operation. Expect a significant improvement in your engine's performance. This kit is compatible with a wide range of Holley 4160 series carburetors. Check the part numbers to ensure compatibility with your specific model. While mechanical skills are needed, the kit is designed for straightforward installation. Detailed instructions are recommended for a successful rebuild. This is an aftermarket replacement part. Always compare the images with your original part before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. What we like. It features high-flow needles and seats for improved performance. This kit offers premium components and is compatible with a wide range of Holley carburetor models. If you prioritize performance and want a kit with top-tier parts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Carb is working well and no leaks so far. I order a kit for a Holley Street Avenger 570. Number 2. Holley 37 to 119 Renew Kit. Is your Holley carburetor underperforming? This rebuild kit provides everything you need for a complete restoration. Get ready to experience peak engine performance again. We use only authentic Holley components in this kit. This ensures a perfect fit and superior quality, giving you the reliability you expect from Holley. It's got all the parts you need for a thorough rebuild. No need to source parts separately, everything is included for a smooth process. This kit includes extra parts for precise tuning. Dial in your carburetor for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. We've made it simple. The step-by-step instructions and detailed tuning guide will walk you through the entire process, even for beginners. Upgrade your Holley carburetor with this comprehensive rebuild kit. Restore your engine's power and efficiency with ease. What we like. This kit uses genuine Holley parts, ensuring quality and reliability. It also includes a step-by-step instruction and tuning guide. If you value authenticity and want a kit with detailed instructions, this is the best option for you. What people say. Had almost every gasket and seal for a Holley 600 Street Warrior carb. This was a great carb rebuild kit, all parts fit correctly, the unit is working great again. I rebuilt a Holley 600 CFM vacuum secondary carb, the kit was of good quality and had all of the gaskets required to make it work. Number 1. Holley Vacuum Secondary Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a smooth and reliable carburetor setup. It's designed for superior performance and easy installation. Experience the difference a precision-engineered vacuum secondary kit makes. It delivers optimal fuel delivery for enhanced power and efficiency. It's designed for a straightforward installation process, saving you time and effort. All the necessary components are included for a hassle-free experience. It's built with durable, high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it to perform under demanding conditions. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package. No need to source additional parts, it's ready to install and go. Despite its comprehensive design, it remains compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. It weighs only 0.5 pounds and has small package dimensions. What we like. It's an electromechanical gauge designed for automotive use. This kit is specifically for vacuum secondary carburetors. If you need a specialized kit for vacuum secondary carburetors and appreciate precise measurements, this is a good choice. What people say. Fixed all my issues with the rebuild. Great quality. Came with everything I needed to rebuild my Holley 4160, including the vacuum diaphragm for the secondaries. Quality gaskets that are better than the OEM ones. Complete kit at fair price. Was concerned about finding the correct kit as engine is in boat and have now determined it was factory 68 Mustang Super Cobra Jet 429. Nice bonus of info. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.